In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Smartsheet with Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the Smartsheet for Jira app installed and be ready to start connecting your work between the two platforms. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira instance with an account that has permission to install apps. This is usually an admin or site admin role. Once you're in Jira, look towards the top navigation bar and find the option labeled More. It's often represented by 3 dots or appears as an additional menu near your project views. Click on that More menu to expand the additional options. From the drop-down that appears, look for the Apps option. This is where you manage and discover new integrations and add-ons for Jira. Go ahead and click Apps. This will open the Atlassian Marketplace within your Jira environment, where we can search for the Smartsheet integration. In the Marketplace search bar, type Smartsheet. Take a moment to be sure you're spelling it correctly as one word. As you type, Jira will start showing you matching apps. You might see several results, so look specifically for the one called Smartsheet Plus for Jira, or the official Smartsheet connector listing. This is the app that bridges data between Smartsheet and Jira so that issues, tasks, and status updates can stay in sync across both tools. Once you see Smartsheet Plus for Jira in the results, click on it to open the app's details page. Here, you can review information like an overview of the integration, key features, screenshots, and user reviews. It's a good idea to quickly scan this page to confirm that this is the integration you want and that it's compatible with your version of Jira and your hosting environment, whether that's cloud or data center. On this same page, look for the button that says Try for Free. This lets you start a trial so you can test the integration before committing to it long term. Click Try for Free. Jira will begin the installation process and may ask you to confirm that you want to add this app to your site. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through granting the necessary permissions, accepting any terms, and, if required, signing into your Smartsheet account to complete the connection. Continue through each step until Jira confirms that the app has been successfully installed. Once that's done, your Smartsheet and Jira integration is ready for configuration and use.